Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning chapter 5, Food from Plants and Animals. In this chapter we'll be learning about balanced diet, why is it important, minerals, its importance and sources, vitamins A, B, C, D, their importance and their sources. Before we get into the chapter, let's warm up. Josh loves to eat fruits. He eats fruits for lunch or dinner. His parents tell him to eat other foods like milk, rice and vegetables. But Josh says that fruits are good for our health. Why should I eat anything else? Do you think eating only fruits is good for health? Food gives us energy, protection from illnesses and helps our body to grow and repair the worn out parts. Our body needs different nutrients in different quantities. Eating only one kind of food is not good for our health. If we eat only one kind of food, we will not be healthy. There are two sources of food, namely plants and animals. Plants are a source of many nutrients we need to keep our body in perfect condition. We eat everything from fruits, flowers and stems of some plants. Examples of leaves and stems are lettuce, celery and green leafy vegetables. We eat animal products directly or indirectly. We eat the flesh or organs of some animals. This is the direct method. Indirectly, we also consume items like honey, milk and dairy products, eggs, etc. This is the indirect method. Animal products are also rich sources of nutrients. Did you know? Are all parts of an egg edible? Yes. We can also eat eggshells which are rich in calcium. Let us think. Let's find out what we eat comes from plants or animals. For example, for breakfast you have a milk and paratha. Milk comes from animals. Paratha is made from wheat, spices and cooked with ghee. Wheat and spices come from plants. Ghee made from milk is from animals. Try to make a list and see how much we eat comes from plants and how much we eat comes from animals. Proteins, carbohydrates and fats are the nutrients which our body needs in large quantities. But we need vitamins and minerals in very small quantities as they help maintain and regulate our body functions. They are known as protective foods as they keep our body healthy. The food that we eat has a lot of vitamins and minerals in it. Fruits, milk and green leafy vegetables are a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins. Vitamins are of many types. The most important ones are vitamins A, B, C and D. We get vitamins from both plants and animals. Vitamin A. It is important because it keeps our eyes and skin healthy. Red, orange, yellow and green color plant foods are rich in vitamin A. Carrot, papaya, tomatoes are examples of vitamin A from plant sources. Eggs, butter and liver are its animal sources. Vitamin B. It is important for growth and proper working of nerves and muscles. Whole grain cereals, soya beans are its plant sources. Milk, eggs and chicken are the sources from animals. Vitamin C. It is important because it keeps skin, bones, teeth and gums strong and healthy. It also prevents and cures common cold. All citrus foods like oranges, lemons, etc. are its plant sources. Strawberries, cherry, guava and green leafy vegetables also have vitamin C. Vitamin D. It is important as it builds strong bones and teeth. It is also called the sunshine vitamin because we get it from sunlight also. Eggs, liver and milk are its animal sources. Minerals. The most important minerals our body needs are iron. It is found in our blood. It is required to produce blood. Our blood has a component called hemoglobin which is produced only with the help of iron. Iron is found in green leafy vegetables like spinach, methi, coriander, curry leaves and meat. The liver of goats or sheep is also a good source of iron. Calcium. It is necessary for strong bones and teeth. Milk, cheese, curd, whole beans, pulses, broccoli, okra and almonds are a good source of calcium. Salt. Our body needs salt in very small amounts. Salt makes our food tasty. Iodized salt contains iodine in it. Iodine is very essential for our body to grow properly. Let us think. Do you remember that we studied about minerals? Minerals are the naturally occurring substances that we find on earth. Iron, calcium, salt, etc. are some examples of minerals. You may wonder how these minerals enter our food. Well, it is through plants. Minerals are present in soil. Plants absorb water and minerals through their roots. Plants use water and minerals to prepare their food. When we eat these plants, the minerals present in the plants enter our body. Here is a tidbit for you. Children and teenagers need more iron and calcium in their diet as it is the time of rapid growth. Importance of a balanced diet. As you can see, different foods are rich in different nutrients. So, to get all the nutrients, we need to eat a variety of foods. A balanced diet is one which has different types of foods and provides our body with adequate types of nutrients that our body needs. Lack of any nutrient will make our body ill. As we grow up, what our body needs also changes. Do you know why your mom wants you to drink milk? Because milk is a good source of protein and calcium and it helps you to grow big and have strong bones. You may see that your parents do not drink as much milk as you do. Why? This is because they have already grown big and they only need proteins to maintain their body. But you are still growing and you can see your height increasing. When your body is growing, it needs more proteins and calcium. Therefore, baby food is different from yours. When we get ill, we get invalid food. As we grow older, our body undergoes changes and we should eat according to what our body needs. This will make us healthy and strong. Here's a science top-up for you. Have you heard of bento boxes? They are lunch boxes with compartments and have been used in Japan since the 13th century. Bento boxes have 3 parts of grain, 2 parts vegetables and 1 part of protein. This makes it easy to have a balanced meal at every lunchtime. Now, let's learn some of the meanings of the words which we discussed in this chapter. Invalid, a person who is weak owing to some illness or injury. Now, here is the mind map for this chapter. Protective foods are vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are of 4 types: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. Minerals are iron, calcium and salt. Now here is the balanced diet. Fruits and vegetables. Eat at least 5 portions of a variety of fruit and vegetables every day. Potatoes, bread, rice, pasta and other starchy carbohydrates. Choose whole grain or higher fiber versions with less added fat. Oils and spreads. Choose unsaturated oils and use in small amounts. Dairy and alternatives. Choose lower fat and lower sugar options. Beans, pulses, fish, eggs, meat and other proteins. Eat more beans and pulses. 2 portions of sustainably sourced fish per week, one of which is oily. Eat less red and processed meat.